Did you know 37% of Americans are earning extra cash online right now, and most started with zero experience? Whether you need $200 this week or dream of ditching your 9-to-5, I'll reveal 11 proven ways to make money online. No skills required. Also, stick around for a free surprise that'll help you skip months of rookie mistakes. Hey there, welcome back to Tips Mayor. Today, we're tackling the ultimate question: how can you make money online as a beginner? The internet isn't just for influencers or tech geniuses anymore. Thanks to apps, AI, and global demand, anyone can turn skills, hobbies, or even opinions into income. But first, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. You won't want to miss the golden tip at the end. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why do 90% of people give up on their online side hustles? Here's the truth. First, scams everywhere. Fake get-rich-quick schemes flood your inbox. Earn $500 per hour working 10 minutes a day. Spoiler, it's all a pyramid scheme. The second is information overload. Google make money online, and you'll get 100 strategies: dropshipping, crypto, freelancing, AI. Where do you even start? The third is analysis paralysis. You spend weeks researching, comparing, and doubting. What if I pick the wrong niche? What if I fail? And the fourth is lack of guidance. No step-by-step roadmap. Do I need a website? How do taxes work? But here's the good news. I filtered out the noise. These 11 methods are scam-proof, beginner-friendly, and require little to no upfront cost. Let's dive in. The number one proven method is freelancing. Let's kick things off with freelancing, the ultimate gateway to monetizing your skills. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or even a podcast editor like Jake here, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you turn your talents into cash. Jake started by offering basic podcast edits for $25 per episode. Fast forward 6 months, and he's now charging $80 per hour with over 55-star reviews. Here is how to start. First, pick a skill: coding, resume writing, or even voiceovers. Secondly, create a killer profile. Use keywords like fast delivery or budget-friendly. The third step is to land your first gig. Bid on small projects to build credibility. Pro tip: offer a 20% discount for your first 3 clients to snag reviews. Number 2 is online tutoring. Love teaching? Platforms like Preply and Vipcould let you earn $20 to $50 per hour teaching English, math, or even yoga. Take Maria, a stay-at-home mom who tutors Chinese students in English for 10 hours a week. She pockets $800 per month, all while her baby naps. Here is how to start. First, choose your subject: academic, hobbies, or language exchange. Secondly, set flexible hours. Work mornings, nights, or weekends. And then, the third step is to market yourself. Add a fun bio like "Learn Spanish with Taco Tuesdays." The number 3 is affiliate marketing. Imagine earning $50 every time someone buys a product you recommend. That's affiliate marketing. Liam, a tech geek, reviews gadgets on his blog and earns $3,000 per month using Amazon Associates. His secret: honest reviews like "why this $50 camera beats the iPhone." Here is how to start. First, join free programs: Amazon Associates, ShareSale. Secondly, create content: blogs, YouTube videos, or TikTok reviews. And then, thirdly is TuteRack links. Use Bitly to shorten URLs and monitor clicks. The number 4 is print on demand. Got a funny slogan or artistic flair? Teespring and Redbubble handle printing, shipping, and customer service you just designed. Sarah sold 200 cat-themed mugs in a month with slogans like "positively exhausted." Her startup cost $0. Here is how to start. First, design viral products. Use Canva or hire a $5 Fiverr designer. Secondly, target trends: pet lovers, gym memes, or coffee addicts. And then the third is to promote on Pinterest. Pin mock-ups with hashtags like #giftideas. The number 5 is stock photography or videography. Your phone camera is a goldmine. Tom uploads sunset photos to Shutterstock and earns $300 per month. High demand niches: it includes food, travel, and authentic lifestyle shots. Think morning coffee vibes. Here is how to start. First, shoot daily. Capture unique angles of everyday scenes. Secondly, upload consistently, 10 to 20 images month across Adobe Stock, Shutterstock. Then the third step is keyword optimize. Tag photos with cozy workspace or urban travel. The number 6 is content creation, that is YouTube or TikTok. You don't need 1 million followers to earn. Lena hit 10K YouTube subscribers posting minimalist living tips and landed a $1,000 sponsorship with an eco brand. Her strategy: post 3 times a week and engage with comments like "What should I film next?" Here is how to start. First is to choose a niche. Examples include budget travel, meal prep, or DIY crafts. Secondly, repurpose content. Turn a blog into a YouTube video plus Instagram carousel. Then the third is to monetize early. Use affiliate links in your bio before hitting 1K subs. The number 7 is digital products. Digital products equals passive income. Emily made $10,000 selling a budget planner on Etsy. Her secret is solving a common problem like, "I'm terrible with money." Here is how to start. The first is to identify a pain point. For example, resume templates, meditation guides, or coding cheat sheets. Second, design with Canva. No coding skills needed. And then, the third is to sell on Gumroad. Keep 95% of profits versus Etsy's fees. The number 8 is dropshipping. Run an online store without inventory. Alex's eco-friendly gadget store on Shopify earns $5,000 per month. He sources bamboo toothbrushes from AliExpress and markets them on TikTok with clips like "Save the Planet, one brush at a time." Here is how to start. First, find trending products. Use Google Trends or TikTok's Discover tab. Second is to build a Shopify store. Use free themes and Oberlo for orders. And then, the third is to run TikTok ads. Target eco-conscious buyers aged 18 to 35. The number 9 is virtual assistant. Businesses pay $15 to $30 per hour for admin help. Rachel manages emails and calendars for CEOs through Belay, earning $1,500 per month. Her pitch is, "I'll handle your inbox so you can focus on growth." Here is how to start. First is to list your skills. Email management, social media scheduling. The next step is to join platforms, Belay, Upwork, or Facebook VA groups. Then the third is to offer a trial week, $50 for 5 hours to prove your value. The number 10 is online surveys or microtasks. Need quick coffee money? Swagbucks pays for surveys, watching ads, or testing apps. Mark earns $50 week reviewing Netflix shows during his commute. Not a fortune, but perfect for funding your real side hustle. Here is how to start. First is to sign up for multiple sites like Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie. The second is to complete daily goals, earn streaks and bonuses. And the third step is to redeem gift cards. Use them for groceries or reinvest in tools. The last on our list is the number 11, which is Fiverr gigs. Fiverr isn't just for pros. Maria charges $10 to write Instagram captions like "Swipe for weekend vibes" and has 50 repeat clients. Her gig title is, "I'll write catchy captions in 24 hours." Here is how to start. First is to offer bite-sized services, like logo design, video intros, or SEO keywords. Secondly, use keywords, quick, fast delivery, beginner-friendly. Thirdly, promote on Reddit. Share your gig in r/Slavlibber or niche forums. Now, if you're thinking, which of these 11 methods is the best for long-term income, let me tell you about Rachel. 2 years ago, Rachel was a broke college student. Today, she's earning $8,000 a month passively. How? She chose affiliate marketing. Here's why she chose affiliate marketing. First, it's scalable. Unlike freelancing where you trade time for money, affiliate income grows while you sleep. Secondly, no inventory or startup costs. All Rachel needed was a free blog and passion for budgeting tools. Thirdly, endless niches, fitness, tech, fashion. Any hobby can become a moneymaker. Here's how she did it. Step 1. She started a blog called Budgeting for Broke Students. The niche is relatable. Step 2. She joined ShareASale and partnered with apps like Mint and Rakuten. Step 3. She wrote honest reviews like "Why I ditched credit cards for cash" and added affiliate links. Step 4. She repurposed blogs into YouTube Shorts and Pinterest pins, driving traffic back to her site. And what was her result? At month 1, she made $0, but she kept going. At month 6, she made $500 per month. After year 1, she was already making $4,000 per month. But today, she's making $8,000 per month, working just 5 hours a week. Do you know the best part? You can start today. Whether you love gaming, cooking, or skincare, there's an audience waiting. Grab our free affiliate marketing starter kit in the description to skip the guesswork. To wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Whether it's freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, print on demand, stock photography, content creation, selling digital products, dropshipping, virtual assistant work, online surveys, or Fiverr gigs, you've got 11 proven paths to start earning. The key is to choose the one that sparks your interest and dive in. Every expert was once a beginner, so don't wait. And remember, your free step-by-step checklist is waiting in the description to fast-track your success. Your side hustle journey begins now. If you're ready to launch your side hustle, smash that like button and share this video with someone who needs extra cash. Drop a comment below. Which method are you trying first? Have you struggled with scams or information overload? Let's chat. I'll help. Subscribe and hit the bell for more tips on crushing your financial goals, boosting productivity, and upgrading your lifestyle. Do you want more? Check out our video on 10 millionaire habits most people learn too late. Thanks for watching. Go turn those dreams into paychecks, and I'll see you in the next one.